So it's important their service assurance platform gives them a very simple interface and makes it easy for everyone, all the way from the technician to the CXOs, to effectively use it and get to the point quickly.
All right, hello and welcome to LiveX Kuala Lumpur 2026. So today joining me is none other than Mr. Bhaskar Agastya, the VP Sales and Partnership of Aprecomm. So hello, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. And today we are speaking on what it really takes for telco to scale AI and generative AI from data quality and models to infrastructure and governance. So, Mr. Bhaskar Agastya, as we know, data and underlying AI models are central to AI and Gen AI implementation. So how are telcos in the region addressing challenges related to data quality, model accuracy, or real-time interference when scaling AI-driven automation and optimization in networks?
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's been a lovely event, a nice coffee, and enjoyed it. The session has been going great, and to me, I feel the first thing which most of these, some of the best operators, the way they are relying on the real-time data. How accurate is the real-time data is what they're getting to. Once the real-time data is good, that also means that they can build the infrastructure around it. They can have the past data, and they can also try and predict the future data or the trending, what can happen. So what we have seen, some of the best of our deployments, right? People are looking into the specific details of what's happening on the observability of the existing network. What's the current utilization? What is the quality of service? What is the quality of experience by the application? And it is becoming more and more important for operators to see what's current and how accurate it is. And that gives you the confidence of, okay, how accurate the data is. And then you can start building the predictive model on how the future can be. You can even segment it region-wise, technology-wise, any which way. So we are seeing some of the best operators trying to use this solution more as an observability platform and ensuring that they get the best reliant on the data.
Following on that, as AI and generative AI tools become more widely deployed in telecom networks, what do you see as the most critical technical or operational enablers that support their successful adoption?
Some of the operators are looking at building an end-to-end service assurance kind of platform. This service assurance platform has something to do with observability, billable, business intelligence, and various aspects. So all of this eventually should lead into two main important aspects, right? They should be able to get their, operators should gain a good credibility as a good operator, a good experience, what they can give it, as well as they should be able to make money out of it, right? If you look at, with all these complexities around Gen AI, so it becomes very difficult for the operators to focus on solving the complex problem in a simpler way. So it's important their service assurance platform gives them a very simple interface and makes it easy for everyone, all the way from the technician to the CXOs, to effectively use it and get to the point quickly.
Now, approaching our final question, what practical steps do you believe telco must prioritize, such as analytical capabilities, infrastructure upgrades, or governance, to address challenges in the use of AI for delivering reliable, high-performance outcome at scale?
Yeah, so I believe in a simple rule, right? Just going by the military rule. Any of the military will have either a red button or a green button, right? So if yes, then go with a green button. If no, it should be a red button. So even on the network, try and simplify as much, right? The technician should be able to, today, for example, Vodafone this morning was talking about when the technician is getting to the field, they want to identify the problem by the time the technician gets to the service area, they should be able to identify, pinpoint where the problem is. Just think about it. Can you reduce that to the fact that you can remotely manage that? You can remotely fix it. That means that much of a truck roll which can come down. And if you can simplify that to the very simple steps, and if there is a tool which can be used, a simplified tool which can be used by the technicians, the mid-level management and the senior management for the respective data, right? I mean, the CXO will look at a different data. They will look at the churn, they will look at, okay, what is the growth pattern? The mid-levels will look at, okay, what are the complexities they are seeing in the network? And then the lower level, when I say lower level, the one who takes the first customer call should be able to solve that problem quickly. So learning a new a UI, a new technology will always be a problem for everyone. If we can give it in LLM mode, that would be the most ideal one, which is what we have done. We launched a product called Ivra. Ivra was launched in, I think, Network X last year, and we are kind of launching this product in March next month. Ivra will focus on a LLM-based approach, and then the solution will be focused on, I mean, for every segment, I mean, the NOC teams, and we primarily focus on isolating the problem and fixing it. So isolation and getting the higher accuracy on that isolation is what we are focusing on, and fixing it, and then further analytically, like how can you use that, whatever the data you're collecting, to further extrapolate to a better benefits for the operators, which is what we've been focused on.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhaskar, for sharing your insights. And I can truly see how Aprecomm is ready and adapting with how AI is actually trajectorying in the future. Thank you so much for joining us today, and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Next, we have Aprecomm, winner of the Analytics and Intelligence Champion Award for Impact and a vendor to watch for 2026. Congratulations, Team Aprecomm.